Well, hi there. I haven't done any videos on my YouTube channel, but my car is still alive here and resting for the most of the time. I haven't had the time even to work anything with my ideas or upgrades, so it's just sitting here and looking good. But now, during Christmas, I figure I should fix some minor issues. Previous, I have made I have the Edelbrock fuel injection, and it has a very bulky harness. And that harness I had to drill a big hole for. The connections are really bulky, so the holes are to drill is very large. And when I installed this fuel injection, I printed out a plug, a plastic plug that fitted that hole, and it was great. And that was 5 years ago, and the 3D printer technique was quite rough. I had a simple home printer, and this is the plug I have made for it. It has worked fine, but now the plastic has begun to dislocate, and well, it's actually warping. But you can see here, it's very rough, but it works. Now I have 3D printer at my work, and we buy a new printer every year. And I did the same plug now, and look at the difference here today. Today the printer is very nice surface, and it even prints out different colors. So I haven't painted this, and this is the printer has changed automatically the plastic and filled in with red material. So it's quite fun to see the technology evolving. This printer is quite cheap. I bought it for $1,000 approximately. It was the same price for this printer 5 years ago, almost $1,000. And it's horrible today to look at it. But so this idea with this is you clamp the harness between here and lock it in together. And this time I made a small groove here for using some gasket or a rubber gasket, so it can be sealed a little better. So let's see. Okay, I have attached it here now, sitting in here in place. I couldn't film at the same time as I attached it, but it's a really simple job, just 2 screws, and it sits real good, and the cables holds tight, can't come anywhere. Well, that plug was it for now. I don't know if I'm going to do so much this year or 2025. I have some plans, but stay tuned, and maybe something will come in some month. Who knows? Bye.